what's happening at AM.CO.za. The external paint job is nearly done as it reaches the reception area, and the first of the AM.CO.za flags makes its way up to the sky. Meanwhile, land surveying gets underway for the building of the new display centre. Demarcations for the foundations are finalized and the excavations start. At the same time, all the paving bricks are going back onto the prepared road surfaces. Inside, the technicians receive their new workstations, which are really cool and practical. And the internal shop nears completion with fitted windows. Whilst the framework for the shelving goes up. And whilst all that is going on, all three AM.CO.za flags go up to welcome you on your next visit. So, see you soon.
"2023 marks the 10th anniversary of AM.CO.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunnyrock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare parts storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. AM.CO.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.